Hello guys, today's topic number 1 is AngularJs. AngularJs lets you extend HTML with HTML attributes called directives. AngularJs directives offer functionality to HTML applications. AngularJs provides built-in directives and user-defined directives as well. AngularJs directives use double braces as placeholders for data. AngularJs directives are HTML attributes with the prefix ng. The ng-app directives initialize an AngularJs application. The ng-init directives initialize application data. Topic number 2 is React. React is a JavaScript library created by Facebook. React is a user interface UI library. React is a tool for building UI components. What is Babel? Babel is a JavaScript compiler that can translate markup or programming languages into JavaScript. With the help of Babel, you can use the newest features of JavaScript ES6. Babel is available for different conversions. React uses Babel to convert JSX into JavaScript. Now, what is JSX? JSX stands for JavaScript XML. JSX is an XML HTML-like extension to JavaScript. JSX is not JavaScript nor HTML. JSX is an XML syntax extension to JavaScript that also comes with the full power of ES6 ECMS script. Just like HTML, JSX tags can have a tag name, attributes, and children. If an attribute is wrapped in curly braces, the value is a JavaScript expression. Now let's see React DOM render. The method React DOM render is used to render display HTML elements. If you want to learn more about React, then more detailed info is provided in W3 School website. Topic number 2 is Vue.js. Vue.js lets you extend HTML with HTML attributes called directives. Vue.js directives offer functionality to HTML applications. Vue.js provides built-in directives and user-defined directives as well. Vue.js uses double braces as placeholders for data. Vue.js directives are HTML attributes with the prefix v. On the screen right now, you will be seeing some code which is an example. In the example, a new Vue object is created with a new view. The property EL binds the new Vue object to the HTML element with the ID app. Vue.js binding. When a Vue object is bound to an HTML element, the HTML element will change when the Vue object changes. Now let's have a look on the Vue.js two-way binding. The vModel directive binds the value of HTML elements to the application data. Vue.js loop binding. Using the vFor directive to bind an array of Vue objects to an array of HTML elements. Topic number 4 is W3.js. W3.js is a JavaScript library which is easy to learn and easy to use. It is designed for fast application development and it is designed for all devices, PC, tablet, and mobile. Topic number 5 is full stack. A full stack web developer is a person who can develop both client and server software. In addition to mastering HTML and CSS, he or she also knows how to program a browser using JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, or Vue. Program a server is using PHP, ASP, Python, or Node. Program a database using SQL, SQLite, or MongoDB. Popular stacks are LAMP stack, JavaScript, Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. LAMP stack, JavaScript, Linux, Nginx, MySQL, PHP. Mean stack, JavaScript, MongoDB, Express, AngularJS, Node.js. Django stack, JavaScript, Python, Django, MySQL. Ruby on Rails, JavaScript, Ruby, SQLite, or Rails. The advantages of being a full stack web developer is you can master all the techniques involved in a web development project. You can make a prototype very rapidly. You can provide help to all the team members. You can reduce the cost of the project. You can reduce the time used for the team communication. You can switch between front and back end development based on requirements. You can better understand all aspects of new upcoming technology. Our topic number 6 is full stack JavaScript. The idea of full stack JavaScript is that all software in a web application, both client side and server side, should be written using JavaScript only. Advantages of full stack JavaScript. In full stack JavaScript, code could be reused and the libraries could be shared. Templates and models could also be shared. It is the best practice because encapsulated by 20 years of JavaScript. JavaScript is an evolving standard with a bright future coming up. It has good tutorials, it is very easy to learn, and it has no compilations, which means faster development. Great distributions, which means NPM. GitHub repository, which means that Git workflow. Our last topic is topic topic number 7, which is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is a standard language for accessing databases. SQL has been an international standard ISO since 1987. SQL statements. To access a database, you use SQL statements. The following SQL statement selects all records in a database table called customers. Now let's have a look on the most important SQL statements. Select extracts data from a database, and update is data in a database. Delete deletes data from a database. Inserts new data into a database. Create database, it creates a new database. Alter database, modifies a database. Create table, creates a new table. Alter table, modifies a table. And the tag drop table deletes a table. Yes, it deletes it. The drop table deletes a table, and the create index creates an index, and the drop index deletes an index.